Good afternoon students. Welcome back to online mathematics class. So in the last class we have started with the new chapter, that is sequences and series. It's chapter 9. So let us start with the exercise 9.1 in today's class. Write the first 5 terms of each of the sequences in exercises 1 to 6 whose nth terms are. So he has given the nth terms in all the 6 cases and we have to write the first 5 terms. So we'll go for the first one. So the first one, it is an, which is equals to n into n plus 2, n into n plus 2, an equal to n into n plus 2. So now for n equal to 1 we have to evaluate this. For n equal to 1, we get a1 which is equals to 1 into 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 will be 3. 3 into 1 it is 3. Then for n equal to 2, then a2 which is equals to a2 which is equals to 2 into 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 it is 4. 4 into 2 it is 8. So you get 8. Then now for n equal to 3. So we get a3. This is equals to 3 into 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 it is 5. 5 into 3 it is 15. Then let us go for n equal to 4. For n equal to 4 we get, so a4 which is equals to 4 into 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 it is 6. 6 into 4 will be 24. Then we have to calculate one more term. So now n equal to 5. And then a5 it is 5 into 5 plus 2. 5 into 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 it is 7. 7 into 5 will be 35. So these are the 5 required terms. Here we will have to write, therefore the required terms are, so it is 3, 8, 15, 24, 35. So these are the required 5 terms. Then we will take up the second problem. Well, let us solve the second one. It is n divided by n plus 1. So now for n equal to 1 we get 1 divided by 1 plus 1. 1 divided by 1 plus 1 which is equals to 1 by 2. Then next for n equal to 2 we get 2 divided by 2 plus 1. 2 divided by 2 plus 1, it will be 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Then for n equal to 3 you get 3 divided by 3 plus 1, it is 3 by 4. Then for n equal to 4 you get 4 divided by 4 plus 1, you get 4 divided by 5. Then here it is 5 divided by 5 plus 1, it is 5 divided by 6. So these are the required terms. So here we will have to write 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, then 4 by 5 comma 5 by 6. So these are the 5 required terms. So write down this and then we'll move on to the next problem. So now the next one, it is the third one, an which is equals to 2 to the power n. So now for n equal to 1 you get 2 raised to 1, that is 2, then 2 raised to 2 it will be 4, then 2 raised to 3 it will be 8, then 2 raised to 4 it will be 16, then 2 raised to 5 it will be 32. So the 5 required terms are 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So here therefore the required terms are 2, 4, 8 and then 16 and then 32. So these are the 5 required terms. So write down this and then we'll move on to the next problem. So we'll take up the fourth one. an equal to 2n minus 3 divided by 6. Minus 3 divided by 6. Now for n equal to 1 you get 2 minus 3 divided by 6. 2 minus 3 it is minus 1 divided by 6. And then now for n equal to 2, for n equal to 2, so what do we get now? 2 into 2 it is 4 minus 3 divided by 6. 4 minus 3 it will be 1, so you get 1 by 6. Then for n equal to 3, 2 into 3 it is 6, 6 minus 3 will be, so 2 into 3 is 6 minus 3 divided by 6. 6 minus 3 will be 3, 3 by 6 it is 1 by 2. Then for n equal to 4, for n equal to 4, 2 into 4 it is 8 minus 6, sorry 8 minus 3 divided by 6. 8 minus 3 it is 5, you get 5 by 6. Then now for n equal to 4, n equal to 5, 2 into 5 it is 10 minus 3 divided by 6. So now 10 minus 3 it is 7, you get 7 by 6. So we have to write the required terms. It is 1 by 6, sorry minus 1 by 6, and then it has to be plus 1 by 6, and then 1 by 2, and then 5 by 6, and then 7 by 6. So these are the 5 required terms. And then let's move on to the fifth question. Well, take up the fifth one now. an which is equals to minus 1 to the power n minus 1, minus 1 raised to n minus 1 into 5 to the power n plus 1. Now go for n equal to 1. So what do we get now? Minus 1 to the power 1 minus 1, it will be 0. Then 5 to the power, in place of n we have to write 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2. So here minus 1 raised to 0 will be 1. A raised to 0 is always 1. So 1 into 5 square it is 25. Then now you go for n equal to 2. Minus 1 to the power 2 minus 1 it is 1 into 5 to the power 2 plus 1 it is 3. So now 5 cube it is 125 and minus 1 we get minus 125. Then now what do we have? Minus 1 to the power it is 3 minus 1, it is 2, then into 5 raised to 4, into 5 raised to 4. So 5 to the power 4 will be 625, 625 into 1, minus 1 to the power 2, it is plus 1, you get 625. Then the next one, it is minus 1 to the power 4 minus 1, it is 3, into 5 raised to n plus 1, that is 4 plus 1, it will be 5. So now minus 1 raised to odd number, it is minus 1, into 5 raised to 5, it will be minus 3125. Then the last one, minus 1 to the power 5 minus 1, it will be 4, then 5 to the power 5 plus 1 will be 6. So minus 1 to the power even number is plus 1, plus 1 into 5 raised to 6 will be, so 15,625. So these are the 5 required terms. So let us write them. The required terms are 25, then minus 125, then 625, and then minus 3125, and then 15,625. So these are the 5 required terms. So this is all about the fifth one. So take the sixth question as an assignment. It is an equal to n into n square plus 5 divided by 4. And then we'll move on to the seventh question. Well, let us move on to the next set of question. Find the indicated terms in each of the following sequences whose nth terms are given. So here from 7 to 10 he has given the nth term and we will have to find these indicated terms. So let me solve the seventh one. So an which is equals to 4n minus 3. Then so we'll go for a17 now. Now a17 which is equals to 4 into 17 minus 3. So a17 which is equals to 68 minus 3. So a17 which is equals to 68 minus 3 will be 65. Then next we'll move on to a24, and a24 which is equals to 4 into 24 minus 3. So a24 which is equals to 96 minus 3. So a24 which is equals to 93. Then this is all about the seventh problem. Write down this and then we'll move on to the eighth one. The eighth problem, it is an which is equals to n square divided by 2 raised to n. So here we have to find a7. Now a7 which is equals to n square, 7 square divided by 2 raised to 7. So a7 which is equals to 7 square, it is 49, and then 2 raised to 7 it is 128. So it is 49 divided by 128. This is the eighth one. Then we'll move on to the ninth problem. Okay, let us solve the ninth one. An which is equals to minus 1 to the power n minus 1 into n cube. So here we will have to find a9. So now a9 which is equals to minus 1 to the power 9 minus 1 into 9 cube. And then a9 which is equals to minus 1 raised to 8 into 9 cube. It will be 729. Then 729 into 1, minus 1 to the power even number is plus 1. So overall you have 729. So this is the answer for the ninth one, and then we'll move on to the 10th one. let us solve the 10th one. So it is an which is equals to n into n minus 2 divided by n plus 3, divided by n plus 3, and here we will have to find a20. So replace n by 20 now. So now a20, this is equals to 20 into 20 minus 2 divided by 20 plus 3. Then a20 which is equals to 20 into 18, 20 into 18 divided by 23. So now 20 into 18 will be 360 divided by 23. So this is the final answer for the A20. So this is all about the today's class.